अस्सलामु अलैकुम। Welcome to Kanzul Iman School. Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 18. We will start with English page number 21. Read aloud the sound of F. What is it? F. The sound of F is F. 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 Read aloud with me. F. 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 Children, read aloud with me. F. 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 F for fox. What is it? Fox. ये किसकी पिक्चर है? Fox. F for fox. Read aloud with me. F for fox. F for fox. F for fish. Memorize this picture. Fish. F for fish. F for fish. F for football. What is it? Football. Read aloud with me. F for football. F for football. F for football. Now see this one. The picture of flower. F for flower. F for flower. Read aloud with me. F for flower. F for flower. F for flower. Teacher's note. Teach it well today with phonics and listen to the children with phonics by tomorrow. टीचर्स आज बच्चों को फोनिक्स के साथ एफ की प्रैक्टिस करवाएंगी और इसी तरह कल दोबारा से सुनेंगे. आसान हो रही. जनरल नॉलेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. हु रॉट आवर नेशनल एंथम? हु रॉट आवर नेशनल एंथम? चिल्ड्रन, हमारा कौमी तराना किसने लिखा था? हु रॉट आवर नेशनल एंथम? Read aloud with me. Who wrote our national anthem? Hafiz Jalandhri. Who wrote our national anthem? Hafiz Jalandhri. Who wrote our national anthem? Hafiz Jalandhri. Children, let's start. Read aloud with me. Who wrote our national anthem? Hafiz Jalandhri. Who wrote our national anthem? Hafiz Jalandhri. Conversation. Question number 1. What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit? आपका favorite fruit कौन सा है? Mango. What is your favorite fruit? Mango. If you don't like mango, you can tell strawberry, apple, banana. So tell me your favorite fruit name. Apple. What is your favorite fruit name? Apple. What is your favorite fruit name? Apple. Now question number 2. What is your favorite vegetable? आपको कौन सी वाली vegetable पसंद है? कौन सी सब्जी खाना पसंद करते हो? Tell me the name of the vegetable. Potato. What is your favorite vegetable? Potato. What is your favorite vegetable? Potato. Read aloud with me. Potato. What is your favorite vegetable? Potato. What is your favorite vegetable? Potato. Now read aloud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Dictionary words. Crayon. What is it? Crayon. Crayon colors जो हम यूज़ करते हैं ड्राइंग में. Crayons. Read aloud with me. Crayon. What is it? Crayon. What is it? Crayon. And the second one, bed. Bed. जहाँ पे हम डेली सोते हैं. What is it? Bed. What is it? Bed. Read aloud with me. Bed. बच्चों ऊंची आवाज में पढ़े बैट. What is it? Bat. Make teacher's note. Make sure that all the students have learned all the questions and the dictionary words today with loud reading and then listen tomorrow positively. मोहतरम टीचर्स, बच्चों को अच्छे से क्वेश्चन आंसर और डिक्शनरी वर्ड्स याद करवाएं और इसी तरह कल दोबारा से सुने. Now we are going to start written work. So let's start with F.
One standing line, one big sleeping line, one small sleeping line makes F. One standing line, one big sleeping line, one small sleeping line makes F. Now we will write F. One standing line, one big sleeping line, one small sleeping line makes F. Now we will write F. One standing line, one big sleeping line, one small sleeping line makes F.
Here you have to write A, B, C, D, E, F. Then match the pictures with the name. Which picture is this? Football. Football में किसकी आवाज़ आती है? फ की. F for football. Football sound the pronounce the sound of F. Football pronounce the sound of F. F for football. So we will match football with F. What is this? Corn. Corn produce the sound of K. C. Corn. So we will match corn with C. Then E, eraser. What is this? Eraser. E, eraser. We will match E with eraser. Now filling the blanks. What will come before A and after B? Before B is A. So we will draw A over here. Write A. Two slanting lines and then in the middle we will draw sloping line. B, C, a half curve. Curve. D, E, standing line and 3 slipping lines. Now write the first name of the pictures, first letter of the pictures. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kanzul Iman School.